Hello student, welcome to DSCG Home Classes, a digital initiative by Directorate of School Education Jammu. Myself Lal Singh, teacher, Government High School, Chandrakot District, Ramban, class 6 to 10th, subject English Grammar, topic Models. तो पर पिछले वीडियो में हमने डिस्कस किया था प्राइमरी एक्सिलरीज क्या होती हैं, उनके यूजेस क्या हैं, कहाँ कहाँ यूज़ होते हैं, कैसे। आज हम बात करेंगे मॉडल्स एक्सिलरी। मॉडल एक्सिलरीज होती क्या है? Modal auxiliaries are special auxiliary verb that express the degree of certainty of the action in the sentence or the attitude or opinion of the writer or speaker concerning the action. Modern auxiliary are special auxiliary verb. Modal auxiliaries क्या होती है? Special auxiliary verb that express the degree of certainty of the action. That express the degree of certainty of the action in the sentence or the attitude or opinion of the writer or speaker concerning the action. Some common modal auxiliaries are, कुछ common modal auxiliaries कौन कौन से? May, might, can, could, will, shall, would, should, must, need, dare, ought to, used to. Need, dare, used to are called semi-modal. Need, dare, used to are called semi-modals. Modals are verbs which help other verbs to express a meaning. Modal are verbs which help other verbs to express a meaning. They cannot be used as independent verb. Modal auxiliary as independent verbs use नहीं होते हैं. These verb cannot be used in all the mood and tenses. These verbs cannot be used in all the mood and tenses. That is why these are called defective verbs. इसीलिए मॉडल एक्सिलरीज को डिफेक्टिव वर्ब्स भी कहा जाता है. क्या कहते हैं इनको? डिफेक्टिव वर्ब. बट हियर एक्सेप्शन विल. गॉड विल्ड एंड वी वर सेव्ड. गॉड विल्ड मीन यहाँ गॉड विश्ड. गॉड विल्ड मीन गॉड विश्ड, वी वर सेव्ड. द ओल्ड मैन विल्ड wrote a will that all his property should go to his daughter. will यानी उसने वसीयत लिखी, सारी उसकी प्रॉपर्टी किसको जाएगी? उसकी बेटी को. एक एक्सेप्शन है यानी will की. इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू नोट दैट मॉडल वर्ब्स कन्वे नो मीनिंग बाय देमसेल्फ. यानी ये कन्वे होता है मॉडर्न एक्सिलरी यानी मॉडल वर्ब कन्वे नो मीनिंग बाय देमसेल्फ. अकेले उनका कोई सम स्पेशल फीचर ऑफ मॉडल एक्सिलरीज. इसके कुछ सम स्पेशल फीचर हैं. जैसे पहला, मॉडल वर्ब्स आर नेवर यूज विद अदर एक्सिलरी वर्ब्स सच एज डू, डज, डिड एक्सेट्रा. मॉडर्न एक्सिलरीज कभी यूज नहीं होती अदर एक्सिलरी जैसे डू, डज और डिड के साथ. The negative form is simply by adding not after the verb. The negative is formed simply by adding not after the verb. Question are formed by inversion of the verb and subject. For example, you should not do that. You should not do that. Could you pick me up when I have finished? Could you pick me up when I have finished? When I have finished. When I have finished. Modal verbs are never change form. Modals verb are never changed form. You can never add s or ed with modals. Modal के साथ नहीं s यूज होगा, नहीं ed. Modal verb are never followed by to. Modal verb के बाद टू फॉलोड नहीं करता. विद एक्सेप्शन ought to. विद एक्सेप्शन ought to होगा. They do not have infinite form. Modal verb do not take to before them. They do not have infinite form. Modal verbs do not take to before them. इनके पहले भी to नहीं लगता है. Two models can never go together. दो models कभी इकट्ठे नहीं होंगे. We always use base form or फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब विद द मॉडल मॉडल के साथ हमारा हमेशा फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब जिसको हम बेस फॉर्म भी कहते हैं वो यूज होती है. व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ मीनिंग डू मॉडल गिव टू अदर वर्ब्स? द मीनिंग आर यूजुअली कनेक्टेड विद आइडिया ऑफ डाउट, सर्टेनिटी, पॉसिबिलिटी, प्रोबेबिलिटी, obligation, permission or lack of these, या ये नहीं भी हो सकता. You will see that modal verbs are not used to talk about things that definitely exist. You will see that modal verbs are not used to talk about things that definitely exist or event that definitely happen. Now first of all हम देखेंगे use of may. May कहाँ use होता है? May. Use of may. To show or ask for permission, may is used. May कहाँ use होता है? To show or ask for permission, may is used. For example, may I go no? Seek permission. ये permission ले रहा है. May I go no? क्या मैं अब जा सकता हूँ? Seek permission. Yes you may go. Give permission. हाँ permission देने वाला क्या? Yes you may go. हाँ तुम जा सकते. Yes you may. हाँ तुम जा सकते हो. Yes you may. May I come in? परमिशन ले रहा है. May I come in? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? और परमिशन देने में yes you may. हाँ आप आ सकते हो. इसी तरह may is also used for making informal request. may कहाँ यूज होता है? may is also used for making informal request करें. may I have the salt please. may I have the salt please. may I borrow your pen. may I borrow your pen. These are informal requests. May and might are used in case of sentence expressing present or future possibility. May and might are used in case of sentence expresses present or future possibility. When we can use either may or might to express present or future possibility. We can use either may or might to express present or future possibility, but use of might slightly increase the element of doubt or uncertainty. But use of might slightly increase the element of doubt or uncertainty. For example, the sky is cloudy. It may rain today. The sky is cloudy. It may rain today. The sky is cloudy. It may rain today. तो दूसरा, the sky is cloudy but a change in weather is always possible. इसका मतलब क्या? दूसरा जैसे the sky is cloudy, the sky is cloudy but change in weather, it may rain today, remote possibility. It may rain today, इसकी क्या है? it is remote possibility है. इसकी remote possibility. He has purchased 100 tickets of lottery but he may win prize. Possibility है उसने, but he might win the first prize. remote possibility. वो पहली, अगर मैं बोलूँगा but he may win the prize, यह पॉसिबिलिटी है, कोई ना कोई नाम जीतेगा. जब मैं ये कहूँगा he might win the first prize, ये remote possibility. May is used for expressing good wishes, desire in formal English. May is used for expressing good wishes, desire in formal English. May God bless you. May you live long. May and might is also used for expressing purpose. Also expressing purpose. Purpose के लिए भी यूज किया जाता है. किसके लिए? Expressing purpose. We eat so that we may live. We eat so that we may live. He works hard so that he may earn good livelihood. I play so that I may have a good health. I may have a good health. They died so that we might live. May can also be used to show astonishment and for seeking knowledge of a thing. How old she may be. How old she may be. ये knowledge. Who may be my friend here. Astonishment. Who may be my friend here. May is not used in the interrogative sentence unless it occurs after WH word. When may we expect you, but in a construction with be plus likely or think is more usual. When are you likely to arrive? What do you think that the result will be? अब आ जाता है use of might. Use of might. The use of might for making request expresses more politeness, hesitation or lack of confidence of the speaker. Might I borrow your golden necklace? Might I talk to PM? Might I borrow your car? Might is past equivalent of may. While transforming a sentence from direct to indirect narration, may is changed to might if the reporting verb is in the past. He asked if he might come in. He said that it might rain that day. Use of may and might in the perfect tense. May is used in perfect tense when you are not certain about past action. When uncertainty no longer exists in the present, that something did not happen but it was possible, then only might is used in perfect tense. For example, he may have he may have been wounded. He may have been wounded. He has not arrived so far. He has not arrived so far. He may have been wounded का मतलब we do not know so far but he is perhaps injured, possibility exist होती है. He has not arrived so far. He may have taken wrong way. तो वो अभी तक आया नहीं है. हम ये we don't know the actual position but as he has not arrived so far, so the possibility is that he may have taken the wrong path, wrong way. He might have been wounded. He might have been. That was a possibility in the past, but he was not wounded. You might have invited me to your wedding. You might have invited me to your wedding, but you didn't invite me. लेकिन उसने उसे invite नहीं किया. She might have come if we asked her, but we didn't ask. वो आ सकती है अगर हम उसे कहते, लेकिन हमने उसे बुलाया नहीं. यूज ऑफ माइट इन कंडीशनल क्लास. कंडीशनल क्लास में भी माइट का माइट not may is used in conditional sentence when the expression is introduced by a verb in the past tense. If you invite her, she might attend party. If you invite her, she may attend the party, but you didn't invite her. आपने उसे invite ही नहीं किया. If he came, he might sing a song. If he came, he might sing a song. अगर वो if he came अगर वो आता वो गाना गाता. Thank you.